Uh, so this is simplifying algebraic expressions. Why I'm making this video is for this term 2, my first lesson. As we know that we'll be continuing towards algebra. We start off with algebra in term 1, and we will be doing this topic for another 3 weeks, I guess. So the exercises that I have set you on Education Perfect are based on these. So basically you will be doing this simplification algebraic expressions for 1 or 2 classes. So you might see questions like this one. If I say simplify 5x to the power of 12 over 15x to the power of 3. So before you answer any of these questions, one of the basic rules that I taught you in term 1 was, if I say x2 times x3, if the base is same and we are multiplying it separately, we add the powers. So 2 plus 3 is 5. And when we divide, and the base is same, we minus the powers. We take away the powers. So this is x to the power of 2. 5 minus 2 is 3. So when the base is same and it is separately multiplied, we add the powers, and when the base is same and it is divided, we take away the powers. And for this one here, if we got the power and the power together, so this is 3, this is 2 x 2 times 3, 6. So if the power and the power are together, we multiply them. If I give you 2x to the power 3, so this is 2 to the power 3 is 2 times 2 times 2, which is 8. 2 is 4, 4 is 8. Then x 2 times 3 is 6. So we did this one in term 1. So just touching base on this one here, if I have to simplify algebraic expressions, 5x over 15, you could say just put 5abc 15 in your calculator. You will see 1/3 anyway. Or, so 1 over 3, or you can say 5 and 15, they look similar. So 5 can go into 5 one time, 5 can go into 15 3 times. So, and then x, you see the base is same, we minus the powers. So 12 minus 3 is 9. So I could say 1x to the power of 9 over 3, or I'll say x, 1 makes no difference, x to the power of 9 over 3. Any of those answers, either this or that. This one, again, you are dividing, the base is same, x and x, so x 10 minus 3 is 7, y 4 minus 3 is 1. You can just leave 1 if you want, or just x 7y. Any of these answers. Okay, 1 makes no difference. And then coming down here, if you see something like x to the power of 8 times x to the power of 10, y in bracket 5. So what we can do here, we could do the internal, the ones that are inside. x8, x10, what do you do? X, we add them. So 18 and y 5. This y, we can assume 1 is there, over x10y. So x18 times 5 is 90. This time we multiply, okay? And y 1 times 5 is 5 over x10 and y 5. So now, it's y. So I said y, same as 1. x90 minus 10 is 80. And y 5 minus 1 is 4. So that's my final answer. X to the power of 80, y to the power of 4. That's simplification. Lastly, x to the power of 48 over x6 times x10 in bracket to the power of 3, x to the power of 48. 6 plus 10 is 16, 3 comes there. So x to the power of 48 times x to the power of 48. So we know that 48 minus 48 is 0. So x to the power of 0. Anything to the power of 0 is 1. Okay.